Hello everyone, so today I am opening up this month's pink parcel box, and yeah, I am quite excited. Let's have a look. Last month's one I think was the best that I've had in quite a while, so I'm hoping that they're like gradually improving over time. So let's have a look. So again, it's kind of beat up. These always arrive kind of beat up, but we'll continue with what we are dealt. I don't know, I've been at work all day and I'm tired, so let's get that off, throw that down there. Oh my god. Let's have a look. Oh my god, I'm getting attacked. So I'm guessing we've got some probiotic things in here. Optibac. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, we have a couple of new little bits and bobs in here. So this is new. I know that they said that they were like introducing new packaging and stuff, so I'm guessing this is some of the new packaging. I don't know. Oh no, this is Betty box. I think this is like the teenager version. They said that they were reusing like some old boxes and stuff until they could get their new stuff in, so I don't mind this. This is actually quite cool. Anyway, again, a little bag, and then we have the for later box, and finally the one, the only, the for you box. So let's have a look at what we have. Ooh, okay. You see, the stuff that you get in this is better than stuff that you get in like Birchbox and stuff, and it's like cheaper, or just like £1 or £2 more expensive, and you get like that stuff and you get a little box that's better than like Glossy Box and stuff. So firstly we have got Cocoa Bar. This is a hot chocolate spoon. These are things that you put in hot water and you just twirl them around and you get a hot chocolate. Simple and easy. We have a little brush by Moonface. That's quite funny. We have a little thing at work which makes me chuckle. I might take this into work. Yeah, it's a fan brush, you know, seems pretty basic. It's already a little bit out of shape. Not keen on this. Then we have a 417 Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. It's quite nice. Then we've got another mud mask. Also, this is a hair mask. Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo. 3-in-1 formula. pH balanced, repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp and dandruff control. This is by Mud Masky. Never seen this before, but this is a big old thing, so this is pretty cool. I'll definitely use that. Then we have a lip gloss. Sorry, not a lip gloss, a lip balm. Yeah, this is good. It's by Tan Atomicals. You know, this brand that have the fun little quotes on it. Stick it where the sun don't shine. Stick. It's quite funny. It's an SPF 30 lip protector. It's good. I mean, we never have any sun, but you know, you get the idea. And then finally we have got this, which is a fresh ground coffee in a bag. I'm glad that it's coffee because I prefer coffee to tea. So there you go. That is everything that we got. As I said, I prefer this box to like Glossy Box and all that stuff. I'll see you all very, very soon. Adios.